Hello, everyone. My name is Dianely Suarez Perez. I own a spectacular travel agency called La Laguna. I invite you all to schedule your trip now. Description: The Rosario Island, a small archipelago made of some 28 islands, which is part of the insular of Cartagena de Indias, within the area of 20 hotels located in front the coast of Department of Bolívar, ADC some latitudes the Baru Peninsula. One of the natural national parks of Colombia is located in Stamp. Frito protect on the most important coral reefs of the Colombia Caribbean coast. It will be an frank heroboard experience. Duration. It will be an unforgettable experience. If you want, you can visit Pelican as the first day where you can enjoy the beautiful natural view that this island offers us. Also enjoy wings like soccer, basketball, finally trying the delicious dishes that this beautiful place offers us. The second day, I invite you to visit the Boca Grande Peninsula. Here you can have all the peace and tranquility you need, surrounded by crystal clear water and a spectacular sun. On the third day, you can finally visit the White Beach Island in the south is named indication. Can enjoy the beautiful white sand and the half for and it is salt water and the end at goose wing and the best part that this site offers. It will be great for you to beat out see you relax and enjoy a spectacular vacation. Don't think about it, cheer up. Man of transportative. The most common means of transport to be able to wait around are buses, motor taxi. If you want to travel more comfortably, you shall use the taxi service. Is this a little more expensive? Both says you can also instead yacht to get to the Rosario Island or got activity to do. In this incredibly, this you can enjoy the following activities. On the first day, you will be able to enjoy the Boca Grande Peninsula. You will be able to enjoy calm water and a resplendent sun to wet and on the second day, you will be able to explore La Boquilla, one of the most beautiful beaches. There you will find the historic center of the city and try delicious food and take main photograph. On the third day, you can visit Pelican Island, surprised by all the visit that you can admire, you can play any sport con and be surprised by all the wonderful things you will find here. Check above. Places to stay. Here at Isla de Rosario, we offer you the best service. To host you, we have a beautiful house with two dogs, a solarium, a jacuzzi, and three bedrooms. If you prefer, you will find exclusive hotel where you can stay to quietly enjoy beautiful Caribbean sunrise and sunset. Typical foods. Here in Isla del Rosario, you can find delicious fried fish accompanied by some crisp fried potatoes, salads, and a spectacular lemon juice. You can also find very cold beer to enjoy your day. Cause if you wish, we have a spectacular choice for a value purchase of 882,800 without count and for you can be accompanied yet you can enjoy a beautiful bedroom for day. Thank you. Visit here Isla del Rosario.